Welcome to Georgetown Manor PA in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Today's apartment tour is of 380 Girio Terrace. This apartment has a large living room area when you walk in the front door and an adjacent dining room with new lighting. This second-story apartment features a private balcony that overlooks the Georgetown Manor cul-de-sac. Each building also has its own parking area located behind the building. Georgetown Manor is a very close walk to the Susquehanna Riverwalk and South Williamsport Park. The Little League World Series Stadium is also very close by in South Williamsport if you are looking for something to do. This kitchen is directly across from the dining room and has an electric stove, dishwasher, and many cabinets and drawers for cooking and food items. There is new flooring in this kitchen. There is also an additional pantry on the left of the refrigerator, as well as more cabinets on the opposite side. The next room is the second bedroom. This room has its own closet and a great view of the Georgetown Manor community from the windows. This apartment includes a full-size washer and dryer, which is great so you do not have to drive to a laundromat or pay with quarters. There's also shelving in this laundry room. Continuing down the hall, off to your right is the bathroom. This remodeled bathroom has great bright lighting, new towel racks, and new flooring. This bathroom also has a new modern sink and vanity. The new medicine cabinet has mirrors and storage space. There's also a linen closet behind the door. Situated at the back of the apartment is the master bedroom. This spacious room has an air conditioner and 3 windows. There is a walk-in closet with hanging space and shelves. If you would like to live in a great apartment in a great location in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania, let us know. We would love for you to join our community. Visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. If you liked this apartment tour, feel free to subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. Also, check out this playlist which has all our apartment tours here at Georgetown Manor PA.